hey, didn't see you there. I'm celebrity nail artist Chaun Legend based out of Los Angeles. You may have seen some of my work on Kylie Jenner, Khloe Kardashian, and Cardi B, just to name a few. I love long nails. My favorite shape is the super tapered coffin style. People always ask me all the time, Chaun, how do you do that? How do you get that shape? Well, the answer is really strong biceps. I'm just joking. But honestly, dedication and a lot of hard work. Now, I can't give y'all all my secrets, but today I'm gonna introduce you guys a new way to achieve my signature look in the comfort of your own salon. I've partnered up with Aprés Nail to bring you an exclusive GelX collaboration featuring my own design of tips. Let me put y'all on. GelX is a revolutionary new product that will allow nail technicians to do soft gel extensions without the hassle of traditional methods. And best of all, there's no smell and you're not gonna get dusty. This exclusive collaboration features a gold metallic patent leather case along with my box of signature tapered coffin GelX tips. Inside the kit, you'll find everything you need to do GelX. You have the pH bonder, the primer, the extend gel, the non-wipe top coat, the nail file, and the x-lite. Now you're on your way to instant perfect nail extensions that may even look better than mine. Just kidding. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, first step we want to do is prep the nail. Prepping is super important because you want to make sure it lasts. So we're lightly etching the nails, removing all the oils and shine. We want no grease stains on it. Make sure it's completely roughed up. Just lightly. Don't beat the nail up. So once after we do that, you want to brush away all the dust. And I like to throw it in a circle. The next step, we want to jump into using the pH bonder. And what that does is helps dehydrate the nail and remove all the oils and the grease stains. Just repeat on every single nails. Next step, we're using the acid-free gel primer. This will help give the tips better adhesion and it's not going to burn. Next step, we're using the extend gel and applying it on as a base coat first. And we want to focus just right in the middle area. And because my tips are a little bit more curved in, we want to apply just a little bit more on the middle to kind of help fill it up more, and it'll help avoid the heat spike. So after we applied it on all the nails, you want to do a cure. And while we're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and prep the tips. So this step here, we're using a brush-on acetone. So I'm dipping it into acetone and brushing it on. And you want to really get into it. And this is another alternative to prepping. If you don't want to use the drills, it avoids dust. And it's, I think it's a little bit quicker. It's a little bit easier too. And again, when you're brushing it on, like just kind of like push the brush onto the surface. And this part also helps alter the surface of the nails and give it better adhesion, help it stick on better. And the next step, we want to prime underneath before starting. Now when applying the tips, using the extend gel again, I'm gonna grab a generous amount. I like to place my bead like right just underneath the cuticle area a little bit. Go around the rim of the tip. And then when I'm placing it on the nails, I'm holding it on a 45-degree angle and just slightly underneath the cuticles a little bit and pressing it down until the extend gel moves to where you want it, which is right where the free edge is. Okay, so after that's in place, you want to grab your x-lite and do a flash cure. We're going to repeat on all fingers, and also the less movement you do, the less bubbles you're going to get. So try to keep your movements to a minimum. If you're applying the base coat a little bit thicker, it'll help prevent the heat spike. After we flash cure all the nails, you want to place it back into the lamp again to fully cure it more, another 30 seconds.